Hello, grade 7 students. Our lesson is about gaseous state.
At the end of this video, you will be able to realize the existence of gases, infer that gases are compressible, while solids and liquids are not. As you know, matter could be classified according to the physical state of matter. So we have solid, liquid, and gases. But how did scientists prove the existence of gases? In order to know that, I'll ask you another question. Is this bottle empty? We'll perform an experiment to discover the answer. So, it's e-learning time. First, pour water in a container. Then place an empty bottle upside down in the container. Did the water fill the bottle? No. But why? You'll deduce the answer after the second step. So now, tilt the empty bottle. What do you observe? Gas bubbles are observed, and water fills the bottle, which means that the bottle wasn't empty. It was filled with gas, which proved the existence of gas. Now let's learn more about the characteristics of gases by applying the procedure in worksheet 10, page 22. You can also perform it at your home if you want. So now, to perform this experiment, you have to use 2 syringes, 2 stoppers, and water. Now pull the piston of the first syringe outwards to enter a volume of air V1 equals 4 milliliter, then close the opening of the syringe. Then fill the second syringe with a volume of water V'1 equals 4 milliliter, then close the opening of the syringe. After that, push the piston of the first syringe inwards. The volume of air obtained V2 is equal to 1 milliliter. And now, push the piston of the second syringe inwards. The volume of water remains the same, so V'2 is equal to 4 milliliter. Dear students, let's organize the results in a table. Here I write compression. This means the action of pushing inwards the piston of the syringe. As you notice, the volume of air before compression is 4 milliliter, more than that after compression, which is 1 milliliter. On the other hand, the volume of water after compression remains constant, 4 milliliter. And this leads us to a new property called compressibility, where the volume of a certain mass of a body can be reduced. So students, I need you to keep in your mind these 3 words: compressible, compressibility, and compress. As a conclusion, the volume of gas can be reduced, so we can say gases are compressible. However, the volume of liquid can't be reduced, so liquids are not compressible. We talked about the volume of gas after compression. What about the mass of gas? Did the mass of gas change when it was compressed? Let's see. Here we fill a syringe with 0.1 gram of gas, and we close the syringe with a stopper. Then we push the piston inwards. As you notice, the mass or the quantity of gas remains 0.1 gram. Thus, the answer of our question, the mass of gas doesn't change after compression, since the quantity of matter remains the same.
Now let's discover the effect of compression on solids. In this case, we use lentils, which we fill a syringe with. Then we push the piston inwards. What do you notice? Here the volume doesn't change, so solids are not compressible.
Dear students, I repeat, keep in your mind these three words: compressible, compressibility, and compress. And please remember that gases are compressible, while liquids and solids are not compressible. Then, pause the video to solve individually the questions from 1 to 6. And these are the answers. Finally, thanks for your attention.